Welcome. So, CUET PG Hindu Studies is one of the very important subjects if you specifically want to do your masters with Hindu Studies and then appear for NET Hindu Studies. So, if you have a good foundation here, you would definitely benefit for your UGC NET examination as well. Now, some of the important topics that you must focus for your Hindu Studies paper include Vedic literature, Hindu philosophy, which is the concept of Shat Darshan, the Nyaya Vaishishk, Sankhya, Yoga, Mimamsa, and Vedant. Then the major epic and Puran, Ramayana and Mahabharata are the important ones. Besides this, the Smritis, the Dharma Shastra, and the various rituals associated to the temple architecture, the major traditions, the Agam tradition, the iconography becomes important. Now, if we look onto the 2025, the major things that have happened, Indian knowledge system and application of Hindu studies in Indian knowledge system is a very important integral part under the new education policy. Digitization of archives from Sanskrit and other languages, again very important, specifically Pali and Prakrit as well. Then you have yoga being considered now as a world heritage. So those are some of the really important topics of Hindu studies that you should not miss. Shat Darshan, as we said, is a very important topic. Expect at least 8 to 10 questions related to the Vedic philosophy and the concepts itself. So those are some of the important things that you must cover. Of course, the 2025 paper solutions have been updated on exam PYQ. Wish you all the best. Practice well, prepare well. In case you have any questions or concerns, connect us on the number below. Thanks for connecting.